Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by the Camping Family channel today. Out here in the Flair, we're working on the battery converter. Now, in this first panel here, tucked up by the water pump, was the old converter. At some point, somebody had already upgraded this to a Progressive Dynamics IntelliPower PD9170, which is the 45 amp. It's not the smart charger, but it was upgraded, so that's good to know. So I pulled that out. Of course, I still have my 9270, which is the 70 amp version. This is actually the third camper that I've had this in. Same one. I just like it so much, I just take it with me when I sell my campers. So I hooked it up yesterday. I wanted to put this on the batteries, those golf cart batteries that were drained. After I topped them off, I just wanted them to start getting a good charge. So hooked it up, and I'm just going to let it sit here. What they did was they mounted this up on this ceiling up here, a couple of screws, had it tucked away. So I'm going to move it out a little bit because this one is obviously heavier than the old one, and we'll mount it out here so it'll fit okay. Got the pendant down here right now. I don't know where I'm going to mount the pendant. I don't think I've got enough cable to reach inside, and maybe I do. Maybe I can put it up on, I'll take this panel off and see if that's over by the refrigerator, which I'm sure it is. I might be able to feed the pendant through there so I can get it up by the refrigerator and mount it similar to where I had it before. But for now, it's just going to sit here for a couple days. I just wanted to see if this how this is going to handle the batteries. But that's what I'm working on today. I'm just glad it's in here. I think these units are great. Just the way they monitor the status of the batteries. Doesn't boil them over. Alright, well, thanks for stopping by. Just wanted to do a quick little video on this converter change out. And it was kind of nice to see this 9145 being put to use. Yep. Alright, thanks for stopping by.